Lord, before my feet even touch the floor this morning, my heart turns toward you. The world wakes up quickly, with noise, pressure, responsibilities, and endless thoughts racing through the mind. But right now, I choose to slow down and remember who holds this day in his hands. You are the God who watched over my family while we slept. You are the God who carried us through yesterday, and you are already standing in every moment ahead of us today. Because of that, I don't want to begin this morning with fear or stress. I want to begin it with thank you for this new beginning. Thank you for another sunrise, another opportunity to breathe, to grow, to love, and to walk beside the people you have placed in my life. Sometimes we forget how precious simple moments really are. We rush through our mornings without realizing that every new day is a gift filled with mercy we did not earn. Today, I want to pause and say thank you for every unseen blessing, every quiet protection, and every prayer you answered without me even noticing. Lord, I lift my family before you right now. Some may be near me, others may be far away, but distance does not matter, because your presence reaches everywhere. Place your hand upon every person I love. Protect them physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. Keep them safe from accidents, sickness, harm, and hidden dangers. Guard them from discouragement, anxiety, and every attack against their peace. Wherever they go today, let your presence go ahead of them. Father, there are battles people cannot see from the outside. Some members of my family may be smiling while quietly carrying stress deep inside. Some may feel tired from responsibilities, worried about finances, uncertain about the future, or exhausted from trying to stay strong. But Lord, you see every silent burden. You understand every hidden fear before a single word is spoken. Please bring comfort where there is heaviness, and bring hope where discouragement has started to grow. I pray for strength over my family today. Not just physical strength, but emotional strength when life feels overwhelming. Mental strength when negative thoughts try to take control. Spiritual strength when faith feels weak. Remind us that we do not have to carry life alone. Teach us to lean on you instead of depending only on our own understanding. Lord, help us stay united as a family in difficult seasons. It becomes easy for frustration and misunderstanding to create distance between people who love each other. But today, I pray for patience inside our home. Let our words build one another up instead of tearing each other down. Teach us to listen with compassion and speak with kindness. Help us choose forgiveness quickly and love deeply, even during stressful moments. Father, I pray for peace inside this house. Let peace sit at our table, fill our conversations, and rest in every room. Remove every spirit of tension, anger, confusion, and emotional heaviness. Let this home become a place where people feel safe, valued, and encouraged. When someone in family feels weak, let the others strengthen them with love and support. Lord, guide every step we take today. Some of us will walk into workplaces filled with pressure. Some will face difficult decisions. Some will carry responsibilities that feel heavy. But no matter where this day leads us, remind us that we never walk alone. Give us wisdom to make good choices and courage to do what is right, even when it is difficult. Father, I also pray over the future of this family. Sometimes we worry about what tomorrow will look like. We wonder how things will work out, whether doors will open, whether prayers will be answered, whether healing will come, whether situations will improve. But today, I surrender all those questions to you. Your plans are greater than our fears. Your timing is wiser than our understanding. Help us trust you even when we cannot yet see the full picture. Lord, bless the work of our hands today. Provide for every need within this family. Bring opportunities where there seems to be limitation. Bring solutions where confusion exists. Bring restoration where something feels broken. Teach us to remain grateful even while waiting for prayers to be answered. Let us never become so focused on what we lack that we forget the blessings already surrounding us. Father, protect our minds today. The world constantly fills people with fear, comparison, pressure, and negativity. Do not allow those things to take root in our hearts. Instead, fill us with peace that remains steady even during uncertain moments. Help us focus on truth instead of fear and faith instead of worry. Lord, if anyone in this family feels lonely today, remind them that they are deeply loved. If anyone feels discouraged, remind them that difficult seasons do not last forever. If anyone feels tired of fighting silent battles, give them renewed strength to keep moving forward. Let this morning become a reminder that your mercy is still new, your promises are still true, and your love has never failed us. Father, thank you for every lesson you have taught us, through both joyful and painful seasons. Thank you for the times you protected us from things we never even knew were coming. Thank you for carrying us through moments we thought would break us. Looking back, we can see your faithfulness in ways we did not understand before. As this day continues, help us become people who reflect your goodness. Let our words encourage others. Let our actions bring peace. Let kindness become stronger than impatience. Let grace become greater than frustration. Use our family to bring light into someone else's difficult day. Lord, we place our plans, worries, dreams, and responsibilities into our hands right now. Go before us and make crooked paths straight. Open the right doors and close the wrong ones. Protect us from anything that would try to steal our peace or distract us from your purpose. No matter what happens today, help us remember that you remain faithful through every season. When life feels easy, keep us humble and thankful. When life feels difficult, keep us steady and hopeful. And at the end of this day, may we look back and recognize that your hand was with us through every moment. We trust you completely, Father.